Stubborn fur on clothes, fleece throws, and slip covers? Before you wash, toss them in the dryer for about 10 minutes on the Air Fluff no heat setting with a dryer sheet. The tumbling knocks hair loose so it rides the airflow straight into the lint trap instead of re-sticking to fabric. After the cycle, clear the trap so the next load breathes properly and you're not recirculating dander. This quick pre-dry saves a full rewash and keeps your machine efficient. Lightly moistened dryer sheets on Air Fluff can revive the nap on suede jackets and shoes. Gentle motion plus a tiny bit of moisture brings the texture back without harsh brushing. For sweaters, add a damp microfiber cloth and run low heat approximately 15 minutes to loosen pills and smooth fibers. It's an easy closet refresh that can delay pricey specialty treatments. Scratchy wool or knits. Run them on Air Fluff or low heat with dryer balls or clean tennis balls to massage the fibers. Add a damp washcloth with a little diluted softener for extra conditioning. Then stop before they over-dry to avoid shrinkage. You'll get a softer hand feel without a full wash cycle. Big pet bed won't fit the washer? Do 2 back-to-back no-heat cycles with 3 dryer balls. Pause halfway, empty the lint trap, and continue. This pulls fur and dander out of the fill. Many households find weekly runs noticeably calm allergies because the bed actually sheds the allergens instead of redistributing them. Gym bags, backpacks, and heavy jackets get fresh again on Air Fluff with a dryer sheet or herb sachet. No heat, so plastics, zippers, and rubber don't warp. For sneakers, low heat with 2 dry towels plus a few drops of essential oil on 1 towel helps neutralize odors more effectively than many sprays. Shirt looks tired but not dirty? Use your dryer's steam/refresh cycle to relax wrinkles and knock out stale smells. It's a fast, pre-out-the-door fix. No steam cycle? Toss in 2 ice cubes and run about 10 minutes. They turn to steam inside the drum. A damp microfiber cloth with a couple drops of essential oil adds a light, clean scent. Go easy to avoid spots. Baby essentials like cloth diapers, bibs, and plush toys dry fast and gentle on the delicate cycle. Skip fragrances. Use fragrance-free dryer sheets or wool balls for sensitive skin. And toss in a clean towel to help bulky items finish sooner. The same setting is great for lingerie and wool, because lower heat plus slower spin reduces shrink risk. Many newer dryers include a shoe rack that keeps sneakers stationary while the drum turns. Perfect for drying without the thump. No rack? Tie the laces together, drape them over the door so shoes hang inside, and close gently. Always use low heat, and check your manual to be sure your shoe materials are dryer safe. If your dryer has a shoe rack, it can rescue damp books. Stand the book upright with several dry towels on low heat and run in short, approximately 15-minute intervals, checking often. Gentle, repeated passes pull moisture without warping pages, making this a surprising recovery method after small spills or leaks. Take curtains down and load them with a damp towel. Run steam or air fluff for 10 to 15 minutes. Rehang immediately so the fabric's own weight helps smooth lingering creases as it finishes drying. Many dryers also offer wrinkle prevent or end-of-cycle tumble to keep items from setting new creases if you can't unload right away. Restore loft by using Air Fluff with 2 dryer balls or tennis balls. They break up clumps and redistribute fill for that new again feel. Check care labels, especially memory foam, which often isn't dryer safe. A slightly damp washcloth or a dryer sheet helps freshen while you fluff. High, consistent heat is lethal to bugs and eggs. Run bedding or clothing on the hottest setting for at least 30 minutes, without overcrowding so heat reaches every fold. Beyond pests, many dryers offer a Sanitize option to cut down germs on towels, sheets, and stuffed animals. Always verify the fabric can handle it. Treat yourself on cold nights. Pre-warm pajamas, socks, or blankets for 5 to 10 minutes on low. Time it so you pull them right before use for maximum cozy. Avoid high heat here. There's no need to stress fibers when you're only adding a little warmth. Make reusable rice-filled sock heat packs and warm them in the dryer for a few minutes to loosen tight shoulders or pre-warm a bed spot. For a subtle scent, mix in a drop or two of essential oil with the rice, but keep it light and always test on a towel first to avoid oil spots. Remove promptly and check temperature before placing on skin. Don't default to normal. Explore steam refresh, sanitize, wrinkle prevent, sensor dry, and air fluff to match fabric and task. That quiet wallflower dryer can de-wrinkle, deodorize, fluff, and even sanitize. Once you pair the job with the right mode, you'll save time, energy, and a surprising number of rewashes. 15 jobs, 1 dryer. Save time, save fabric, and skip the laundry drama. Like, subscribe, and drop your favorite dryer trick below.